Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we dig deep into trending online products to see if they're legit or just another scam. Today, we're talking about something that's been popping up all over social media lately, the Snuggle Warm Blanket. It claims to be the perfect winter essential that keeps you warm, comfortable, and relaxed no matter how cold it gets. But is this blanket really worth your money, or is it another cleverly marketed product? Let's find out. According to the ads, the Snuggle Warm Blanket is made from premium soft fleece, heat-retaining materials, and promises ultimate comfort. It's being marketed as lightweight yet super warm, ideal for cozy nights, camping trips, or just relaxing on the couch. Some websites even claim that it heats up faster than a regular blanket and provides therapeutic warmth. Sounds great, right? But as always, here on Online Scam Advisor, we don't just believe what ads say, we verify it. When we looked at the official website selling the Snuggle Warm Blanket, a few things stood out. We also checked real reviews from social media, Reddit, and online shopping forums. Here's what people are saying. Some buyers said the blanket was soft and cozy, but not as warm as advertised. Others complained that delivery took weeks and customer service was unresponsive. A few mentioned that they received a smaller or thinner version than what was shown online. However, a handful of users did find it decent for light use indoors, especially if they got it on discount. So is the Snuggle Warm Blanket worth buying? If you're expecting a luxury-grade heated blanket, you'll likely be disappointed. But if you're just looking for a simple, lightweight fleece blanket, it might serve your purpose. Just make sure you buy from a trusted online store with verified reviews and easy return options. Not a total scam, but definitely overhyped and overpriced for what it delivers. So that's our honest review of the Snuggle Warm Blanket. A cozy concept, but not quite the miracle product it claims to be. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we help you stay safe, smart, and scam-free online. And stay warm, the right way. Thank you.